What's going on, guys? This is Robert coming at you with another video, and today I just want to talk to you about the question you see on your screen right here. How long until I see results? And specifically, I'm talking about how long until you see results in your business. You know, a lot of people ask me this question, and so I wanted to make this quick video just to give you an idea of what your expectations should be when starting a new business as far as seeing results. So I broke this down basically into three main things I want you to take away from this video, and you can expect that your business is going to follow these three main points. So the first thing I want you to know is that sometimes in business there is no for sure answer for when you will see results. Okay, so a lot of times I get asked the question, Robert, I started on this day, when can I expect to be in profit? Many times in business, profit depends on lots of different factors. So it's nearly impossible to predict the future as to when you are going to be in profit. Yes, you can make projections based on past results, based on what you think is going to happen, but nothing is guaranteed in business because you don't know exactly what the future will bring. So the best thing you can do is set yourself up so that you have the best chance of having the result that you want when you want it. Okay? The next thing is to plan ahead. If you want to achieve results by March, you need to start working on it now. And by now, I mean you need to start working on it 3 to 6 months in advance at least. Because if you start in March, you're not going to see any results in March. It takes time for business to build. It takes time for results to build. It takes time for your expertise to build. And that's not going to happen right away. So if you want something to happen by a certain date, you need to plan ahead and start 3, 6 months, sometimes even more ahead of time to achieve your goal at that time. And the third thing is to not procrastinate. You probably hear this a lot, but you may do it anyway. Basically, what you want to do is make yourself tasks that you do each day to further your business towards your goals. And don't put important and what may seem to be non-important tasks off. Get something done each day to further your business, and don't wait around, because results, of course, are not just going to happen. You have to work towards them, and once you put in the work, you will definitely see the results, and you will be able to look back and know that you did what you needed to do to further your business, and now you're reaping the rewards. Okay? So I just wanted to let you know about those three things in this video. I'll probably go over some more in future videos, but wanted to let you know about that for now. Also, I just wanted to say, if you guys want more information on starting a business, on tips for your business, etc., I want you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's right below this video. Just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. You can also hit the notifications button so you can be notified when I upload a new video. I'm uploading new content all the time to help out new business owners online and even offline sometimes. So other than that, I will see you in the next video. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.